finally finished the, what's it called? Trifle. So day 18 of Vlogmas. I'm going somewhere with Christina, I don't know where. Okay, so we are heading to some type of waterfalls. You can stop fake smiling now.
She told me to smile, so I was like...
Yeah, what waterfalls are we heading to?
I don't really know, I'm just following signs of waterfalls.
So helpful, yeah. So yeah, we're going to some waterfalls, exciting, because I do actually love waterfalls. I had a dream last night, which I'm going to tell you in a sec, after we've filled up. But yeah, should be exciting, and I'm pretty sure Holly's excited. Holly!
Holly's excited.
Okay, we have no idea where we are. We're somewhere. But guys, look at that. We're in Africa. Results. Could you imagine if this was private property and we'd be shot on site? The noise. I heard a twig snap. Christina.
Come on, we're leaving.
Horses! Was shortly lived. I said, well, that was shortly lived. As there's horses and gates. Don't think we were allowed that. People behind us, the speed limit's 40 and they're 50 and they really want to overtake us. I'll show you guys now. Yeah, it's that car over there, and yeah, we're sticking to the speed limit because yeah, we have to, and they really want to overtake us. To a waterfall. We're in Neath-ish. I'm not entirely sure where we are, but it's very muddy and I decided to wear my Converses. So that's fun. So yeah, the scenery looks really nice. I can't wait to see the waterfalls because I actually do find them really interesting and they look pretty. So yeah, guys, I'm going to fall. So this is what I look like, clean. I'm ready to fall. The main waterfall is up here. I think that was me then. was pretty awesome. Absolutely love the slow-mo effect on the iPhone. Shout out to Apple. Sponsor me, please. But yeah, I absolutely love waterfalls, everything about them. So I'm not looked at you guys, I'm trying not to kill myself. But yeah, it was awesome. Absolutely loved it. Pretty cool. Okay, let's head back home where a buffet is waiting for us. So to conclude our little waterfall trip, I have mud on me because of that thing, Holly, and me and Christina didn't fall. Go us. Severely depressed.
No, she just tired.
Oh, she's getting up now. She said, "Oh, he didn't mean to offend you." Did you enjoy the little track?
I always love that track. Did you enjoy it?
I did, yeah. It was awesome. Don't want to get copyrighted. Yeah, I don't know how the hell I'm muddy and Christina's not.
I am bent.
Look, my legs are like...
Balls.
So, yeah, that's fun. So yeah, we're going to head back home and then Nan is putting a little buffet on later. Because it's the last Sunday before Christmas Eve.
It's last Sunday before Christmas.
That's what I meant. It's Christmas a week today, what the hell? How did that happen?
Yeah, right.
So I just came back from the waterfall, as you guys know, and my Nan has made, oh my cheeks are really red. You see my cheeks are really red. And my Nan has made this wonderful buffet. Obviously there's a little bit more food coming out, like crisps and etc. But my Nan is making little
Put them in here.
cheese and pineapple
I'll do it as a fall.
stuff. I just tasted it for the first time. Actually doesn't taste that bad, it tastes nice. My baby. So now I'm trying a pickled onion, cheese and pineapple.
Use another bit of cheese on
Okay, here goes. It's not bad.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
Alright.
So the buffet was absolutely delicious. Delicious? Yeah, delicious. My Nan slaved away in the kitchen all morning and some of the afternoon to do it. I feel so bad, but it was much appreciated. We all absolutely loved it. So yeah, I'm currently editing yesterday's vlog, and I enjoyed spending the day with my sister. So that was fun. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's vlog, and I shall see you all tomorrow. As always, Mwazies. Bye guys.